go to the play group. The play group children who are between 2 years and 3 years, as we have already said, that we'll have to bring 2 pictures or 2 objects, because at that point, at that age group, reading 2 pictures simultaneously is what is expected from a child, and we'll just keep these 2 pictures and 2 objects for this purpose of the playing of this game with our child who is between 2 years and 3 years. Now what we need to do? The objective is here. Child is able to read 2 pictures simultaneously, understands the comparison in size between these 2 pictures, and sort it as per the direction given to the child. Now these are the 2 pictures provided to the child. This could be object, or this can be cut into shape from the picture, so that the pictures available to the child should be different in size. So we have these 2 pictures, 2 piece pictures here, and we are placing these 2 pictures in front of the child, and the direction that we need to give to the child is you put the small fish in the box given as small, and put the bigger fish in the box which is meant for the bigger fish. So this is the whole activity that we need to do, and then child, while will be reading the pictures and judge the pictures from different size perspective, then child will be deciding out of these 2 pictures which one is small fish. Then based on that, child will pick up that and put that small fish in the box given as small box for putting the small fish, and then the child will pick up the bigger fish and put this fish into the box provided for the bigger fish. And if the child is doing this, then at that particular age, the sorting technique or the problem solving technique or the logical thinking technique, we assume is strong for the child. And this is what is expected for a playgroup children. And if your child is in playgroup or 2 to 3 years, please use this game as a tool for cognitive development.